Data scientists, are you drowning in unstructured text while fighting fragmented NLP tools that break during integration? Our pack crushes that chaos with subword-aware tokenization pipelines, context-sensitive named entity recognition using spacey BERT hybrids, transformer-based sentiment analysis spanning 150 plus languages, and abstractive summarization powered by Pegasus models. No more Frankenstacks glued together with regex prayers. ML engineers, AI researchers, and NLP specialists get enterprise grade workflows that scale to billions of documents. Your chaotic text data just met its match. Here's what's inside the NLP Text Analysis Pack: data preparation with smart chunking strategies, tokenization using sentence piece for subword handling, contextual NER with entity linking to Wikidata, sentiment analysis engine using XLM Roberta with aspect-based modifiers, abstractive summarization through fine-tuned BART models, text classification with attention-weighted TF-IDF vectors, deployment-ready Docker files for Kubernetes clusters. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your next NLP pipeline isn't just fast, it's pre-built. Installing the NLP Text Analysis Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add nlp-text-analysis-pack. That's it. You get the complete pipeline: data ingestion scripts, transformer models, and evaluation metrics. No more midnight pip installs breaking your environment. Your next Claude Code session auto-loads the workflows, and your AI assistant gains NLP superpowers: entity detection thresholds, sentiment lexicons, and summarization length controls. Ready to turn text into insights faster than a GPU trains a BERT-based model? Your calendar's integration hell meeting just got cancelled.